Hi, this is John with WATI, and trying to have a healthy immune system, strong heart, and strong bones. This is where this omega-3 oil comes into place. So for my mom, 60-year-old lady, it's really important to always keep her with her immune system, her bones strong, and everything just working perfect for her. So one of the things I would like the most about this it's just how easy on your stomach it is. The soft gels, it's just easy to digest all the moment and just an easy work to do. So if you're really trying to improve or to have a omega-3 intake, this is such an easy and convenient way just to do it. The soft gels are just easy to swallow. It's not going to give you go too hard on your stomach. And overall, it's such a great quality of a product to keep you healthy and just to, in my case or in my mother's case, just to help us just to keep going life without getting sick that often. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.